Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in my this particular video I am going to discuss how you can perform image closing in MATLAB. Okay, so what is that? Image closing is nothing but, like, suppose you have one character O where there is this part is discontinuous, that is, this is not completed, not joined. Now you want to join this and make this complete O. Or suppose you have this J with the dot and original character has some gap. You want to join this two, okay, you want to make like this. Okay, so for this kind of operation we can apply image dilation, which is one kind of morphological image processing I have discussed in my previous video. And this is called image closing actually, because we are basically joining two different parts. We are trying to close this. Okay, so this is the concept of image closing. Now how we can apply this or how you can implement this? Very simple. As you can clearly understand, if we expand this particular part, okay, if it become bigger, this part also become bigger, then they will join each other. So first of all we can apply dilation and then we can apply erosion. Okay, so as a result it will go back to its original figure but original size, but it will be joined. Okay, so basically first step we will apply dilation. Okay, and with the same structuring element we will be applying our erosion. Okay, so let us check in MATLAB. So here I have written one simple code. Okay, CLC clear all close all A equal to IM read circles.png. This you no need to take separately in MATLAB image library. This is separately present for performing experiments. If I show you this image, IM show A, I will be writing control A, and this particular part if I execute, you will be having this particular image which is having some circles. You can clearly understand this is a binary image because only two intensity levels, either 255 or 0, that is black or white. Okay, you can clearly see there are some gaps in between, like here, 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 here. You want to fill these gaps. Okay, so you can apply image closing concept. So what I have done, as I want to close this and these are circles, so I have taken one disk structural element because disk is nearly similar to our circular shape, and I have taken 10 as second argument, and then I have dilated that and then performed erosion on the dilated image, and then I am plotting that original image in the first part and second one is the image after performing image closing. Let me just run this whole code. If you perform evaluate selection, you will be having this beautiful output where all these holes or all these parts which are basically discontinuous in between white shape are filled. Okay, this is called image closing. Why? The reason you can clearly understand, because this particular operation is closing these particular gaps. Okay, right? Now you no need to write this much big code, that is first perform dilation then erosion. There is direct inbuilt function is present in MATLAB, that is IM close. Okay, it will close that. How to write? Very simple. Instead of that two lines of dilation and erosion, you need to write ES equal to IM close A comma G. That's all. And if I run the code, I will be getting same output but with lesser number of lines. Okay, nothing changed. Okay, here also closing is done. Let me show you with one more example. Suppose I am having one image of J. Okay, if I write IM show A, let me show you the image. This is the example which I have just shown you while discussing the theory of image closing, which is basically this particular J alphabet where there is a gap in between this O and original J body. I want to remove this gap. I want to close this. Okay, this part and this part I want to join. So again I can apply image closing concept. Just I have written IM close A comma G and then I have just plotted that using subplot. You can take different structural element and do some experiments. Okay, obviously you can see different outcomes for different structural element, and here you can see how beautifully this particular parts are joined into a single. Okay, so this is what is image closing. Okay, dilation followed by erosion. So this is how we can apply morphological image processing in various ways, and this is very much powerful tool. Already we have seen three applications of this morphological image processing. One is image closing, which I have discussed in my this video. In my previous video I have discussed using erosion technique, how you can detect the boundary of an image, and one more case study we have taken where we have taken one image of the circuit board, printed circuit board PCB, and then we have tried to remove all the wires and keeping only the microchip boundaries. Okay, that is those square microchips or rectangular microchips we wanted to keep. Okay, that case study. So these three case studies or projects I hope will be very helpful for you. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. This is all for my this video. Same code will be posted in the description box. If you want, you can use that for your project. Always welcome. Thank you for watching.